Okay, I am hungry. I'm wanting to go to the restaurant in town for some fried chicken. Well, I don't want to leave the house. I don't feel great today. So I figured I have stuff at home. Let's use what we have and make some fried chicken. I'm going to go ahead. All I had was chicken quarters, leg quarters, in the deep freeze, probably a year old. We're going to see how it goes. I'm going to go ahead and pressure cook them for about, we'll try 15 minutes. Do that with olive oil. I'm going to throw these in, and I can use the leftovers from some salad or something later. They're pretty big, and they're deep fried frozen. What is it? What's it called?
Deep freezed?
Deep frozen. Deep freeze frozen. So, throw them in there. Gonna put a tiny bit of water, but they'll make their own juices. So, put a tiny bit of water on them. Probably wasn't enough. And then just for a tiny little bit of seasoning. I love combining ranch and buffalo, even on a salad. Ranch dressing and then throw some buffalo chicken wing sauce on there. Ooh, it's my favorite. So I'm not a big salt person. This has plenty of sodium in it. So we're just going to experiment with this today. I've never done that before, so we're going to try it. I have the Emeril Lagasse pressure cooker. Probably should have gotten an Instapot because all the recipes and cool appliances are for Instapot. But we're going to use what we have. We're going to set it to poultry. And I want to do 15 minutes. I don't know, maybe I'll do 20. That might be a little long, but they'll just get more tender. Okay. So it's going to take about 15-20 minutes to get up to pressure, and then I'll cook it for 20 minutes, and I'll let it release naturally just for a couple minutes, and then I'll quick release it, and we'll switch to the air fryer lid and fry the skin, and it should be done and taste like fried chicken. Okay guys, so I just finished the 20 minutes pressure cook and I quick released it after a couple minutes, and you see it's falling off the bone already. So it's all the way cooked. I just want to get the skin pretty crispy. I added some more ranch seasoning, and I'm gonna try this. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm gonna try this thing that Frank got me to record a different way, so we'll see. So this is the Emeril Lagasse air fryer. It's pretty cool. Custom. I'll do it at 400. About 5 minutes, and then we'll check it. And I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's. I love this stuff. And then just that. So we'll see. You can hear it working. Air fryer is pretty cool. Okay, so this is about to be done. I am excited because I am so hungry and it smells really good. Okay, that means it's done. So let's see. I don't know if y'all can see in there. Not quite as crispy as what I'd like it, so I'm going to put it in for a couple more minutes. But it's definitely cooked. So we'll line this up. And do it again. I'm just gonna put custom. Okay, it's been a couple more minutes and we're gonna test it out and see how it looks. That is sizzling and looks so yummy. Oh my goodness. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna show you everything. Hopefully y'all, if you have air fryers, will make this. So this is the end product. There was about 5 more minutes of air frying just because I really wanted crispy skin, and then a little spinach arugula salad with ranch and buffalo sauce, and I am so excited to enjoy this. So you guys have a great day.